ready to unlock a world of coffee shop favorites from the comfort of your own kitchen. First, let's fill the water tank. Remove the tank from the back of the machine, rinse it under cool, clean water and fill it to the maximum level indicated. Then, securely reattach the tank to the back until you hear a click. Now, lift the locking handle on top of the machine and pull out the capsule holder. This is where the magic happens. Choose your favorite Nescafe Copyright Dolce Gusto capsule, whether it's an espresso, cappuccino, or latte macchiato, and insert it firmly into the holder. Slide the capsule holder back into the machine until it clicks into place, then lower the locking handle to pierce the capsule. Adjust the volume selector on the front of the machine to match the recommended level indicated on your chosen capsule's packaging. This ensures the perfect strength and flavor for your drink. Place your cup on the drip tray and select either the hot or cold water button. Depending on your drink, the machine will automatically stop when the selected volume is reached. And that's it. Your delicious coffee is ready to enjoy. Remember to dispose of the used capsule and clean the machine regularly for optimal performance. Now go enjoy that perfect cup.